Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make Easter special greeting card cover with the rabbit in the cup. For that we need quilling tool, glue, round dias and some multicolor strip. So friends, we have to start from the base. For that, for cup base we need 297 mm purple color strip. We are using the purple color. We have to make it the tight roll and put in the 20 mm round dia. Put the glue in the bottom and press from the sides until middle also to make the base of the cup. Now we have to make the cup. For that we need 4 strips of 297 mm purple color. We have to make it the tight roll also for this one. And put in the 30 mm round dia. Put the glue. And press from the two sides on the top in a shape of cup. As you can see, we done the cup shape. Now we are going to make the handle. For that we need 75 mm strip of same color of purple. We have to make it the tight roll from one side half and also the other side half to make the handle of cup. As you can see, we done it the cup. Now we start make the rabbit face base. For that we need 4 strips of light yellow or yellow color. So we have to make it the tight roll again here. We did the tight roll. Now we have to make the hands of the rabbit. For that I need 150 mm strip of same yellow color. We have to put in the 12 mm round dia. Put the glue in the corner and press from the one side to make the shape of hand. As you can see, one hand I already made before. Now we have to make the eyes of rabbit. For that we need 35 mm strip of black and white. We have to make the joint first, then we have to make it tight roll and make the eye. This one eye and one I already made. Now we have to make the cheeks of rabbit or mouth, you can say. For that we need same strip size 75 mm of white color and make it the tight roll. Now we have to make the nose. For that we need 35 mm strip of pink. Make it the tight roll again. Put the glue at the corner. We complete the nose also. Now we are making the ears of rabbit. For that we need 297 mm pink strip, light pink, and 150 mm yellow, light yellow color. Put in the 20 mm round dia. Put the glue and press from the one side until end to make the ears. This I already made one before. Now let's get start to put the stuff to make a rabbit face. Put the nose pink, eyes, and 2 white color cheeks or mouth, as whatever you call. And ears on the head. So friends, finally we complete our Easter special greeting card with the rabbit in a cup. You can see both are same, so we have to make the joint and put on the greeting card cover. So let's get started, friends, to put the stuff on the paper. So finally, friends, we make the joint with the glue, the rabbit shape, so you can see. So just you have to put the rabbit with the cup on the card. I'm not putting the glue because it will take the time. So I hope you got our point and you learn many things, and you learn this one also. If you like the video, please comment below the video, share the video, and subscribe our channel. And friends, don't forget the bell icon, that will give you the notification of our latest and new videos. So until next video, friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel and keep praying. Bye.